Hi everybody, welcome back. So today we're doing a super easy marbled nail, accent nail on a press-on set that I'm making for myself actually. These are going to be my babies. So what I'm doing here is I am going in with the base and top coat by Neo Nails. Do it on all 5 fingers for you, and then I've decided that I want 3 of them to be one set colour, and this is oh, let me double check what this one's called. It is called Blue Cream Jelly by Neo Nails as well. So I'm going in on the 3 nails that I want to have that colour, really super thin coat to start off with, and then as always speed it up for you guys. Okay, so I've put that in for a 60-second cure, and then my 2 accent nails, I've decided that I want the base to be the colour Cotton Candy, again by Neo Nails. So I'm popping a thin layer to start off with there on both of those accent nails, making sure that I cap the free edges. Okay, so second coat of the Blue Cream Jelly by Neo Nails going on to the 3 other fingernails, there, and then we will jump on to the accent fingers. Okay, so we've got the 2 accent fingernails here. What I'm going to be doing is popping in another layer of the cotton candy onto these, but I'm not curing it this time, guys. Not curing it, leaving it wet, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so to create this marble look, what I've done is I've taken a dot of the cotton candy and then a dot of the blue cream jelly and then a dot of a purple colour from a Lavender Violets collection that I have, and then we're going in with Agitated Ocean by Neo Nails as well. Sorry, Diamond Angel. Agitated Ocean is their matte deep teal colour. So Diamond Angel, and then I've taken a dotting tool and just wiggled through it a few times, and then what I'm doing is going in with a gel polish brush and I'm actually scooping up the colour, and then I'm popping my brush down onto the tip, and then as I move my brush through, it's pulling the colour off. So as you can see, it's marbleizing, and then where I want it to be a bit more mixed up, I'm going in with the very edge or corner of my brush, and also where I want to add a few more colours, I'm just picking up bits of the colours that I want. So you can really play about with this until you're happy, and then if you're not happy, you can wipe it off and start again, I suppose. But you know, you can really move it all about. So I've done that on one, and then I go and do the same thing again on the other nail. I then decided that I wanted another coat, one last very thin coat of the blue cream jelly on the other 3 nails. So going very quickly there and popping that on. Then it's top coat time. Okay, so I'm happy with everything and how it looks. So going in with the top coats now, I've decided that I want a high gloss hair shine top coat for the 2 accent nails. So we're using the Neo Nails base and top coat. It is the best. So going in with that, and then what I will then proceed to do is switch for the other 3 nails that are in the blue. I decide that I want them matte, and I use the No Wipe matte top coat from Halo gel polish. So keep watching and then you'll see the final results at the end. Okay, so here we go, guys. This is the final result. I hope you like them. If you've got any questions, pop it in the comments below. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button and carry on watching some more videos. See you soon. Bye.